You are watching Unicode Education. So in this video, I brought to you a latest update about the National Scholarship Portal scholarships they are giving. The last dates have been extended, and the last date and more details regarding the scholarship. Every detail I'll be giving you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are eligible for scholarship, also you'll know at the end. So how to check the eligibility for any given scholarship, that too I will show you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends so that it will be helpful for them too, and like this video so that we will get encouragement to make more stuff like this. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel now to get more updates like this, and notification will come to you first. So if we start, this is the National Scholarship Portal website you are seeing here. So this is the main website in India. Whenever you are applying for any scholarship, this is the website which is regulating everything. So here the website link is scholarships.gov.in. If you go to this website, you will find a portal like this, and here if you go through the latest updates, here I am zooming it for you. If you go through the latest updates, you'll find the application dates for all central sector schemes except schemes of war have been extended. So what are the dates extended? So most of you, the students here, have come to see the scholarship scheme for from Department of Higher Education. So I'll be skipping to Department of Higher Education. If any other scholarship schemes, if you are going to apply, you can choose that, but I am choosing here Department of Higher Education. If I click on that, see, I am getting a list like this, a tab like this. So here, central sector scheme of scholarships for college and university students. The scheme closing date has been extended to 30th November. So until 30th November, you can apply for this scholarship, and the verification dates have been extended to 15th December, and the institute verification again they will be done, and that too is extended to 15th December. But the main thing here you have to notice is that the 30th November is the last date to apply for this scholarship. This scholarship will be given for candidates who are pursuing higher studies after their class 12th on the basis of their merit in class 12th exam, board exam. So if you want more details, you can click on the guidelines. I'll show it in the future in this video itself. Let's go further and see if you are eligible. Many students are commenting, and WhatsApp group also asking if I am eligible for National Scholarship Portal and all. To find that, just go to the website, and here in the navigation bar you will find services. Here services scheme eligibility is there. If you click on that, you will be redirected to this website on the same domain address. Yes, it's loading a bit.
Are you preparing for KCET 2021? You know, the Unacademy Plus subscription includes benefits such as premium content at affordable price, structured live courses with dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals, and daily practice problems, and single subscription will give you unlimited access, everything under single plus subscription. So Unacademy has 20 plus top educators. I'll be showing in the next slides. They have 10 plus years of experience, and the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants is given here. 12 months plan at 12,375, just 12,375. If you use my code LiveChandan, it costs around 1,031 per month, and again 6 months plan at 10,125 if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing. So it also costs about 1,688 per month, so it's affordable if compared to other online and offline institutes too. So multiple batches launching every month multiple batches are being launched. 6 months full syllabus will be given, complete preparation and course completion in Kannada language. Kannada also is there, Kannada batch is also there for Kannada aspirants, so who are Kannada, who are well versed with Kannada language can use that. And dedicated doubt clearing sessions, which I already mentioned. And 8 months comprehensive full syllabus batches also there, study from top educators. Advanced topic to start soon, so enroll now. If you are interested, just enroll now. For trial period, they are giving a 1 month trial plan of about 2,250 only if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing it. So these are the educators you are seeing here. Learn from the best educators for KCET 2021. Detailed explanation of each topic for better understanding. So complete syllabus coverage will be there. Tips and tricks to save time and score better in exams. These are what important tips and tricks which will boost your rank. So if you are interested, just get in now. So these batches are starting from 14th October, actually already started. So just kickstart your career now. Actually KCET 2021 will be a easy go for you if you get these tips and tricks from these top educators. So if you are also not able to afford that, you can also get free classes on YouTube. The link is in the description. Free classes are also available on Unacademy YouTube channel, so you can see and you can get it.
Bit late here. So guys, we have come to the National Scholarship Portal scheme eligibility checking portal. Here in this dashboard you can check your eligibility for any given scholarship scheme. For example, first of all you should put your state. For example, I will be choosing Karnataka. Course level, you can put anything. I will be choosing Bachelor of Engineering. Anything you can choose. I will choose Bachelor of Architecture. Next, religion, anything Hindu. Then see, general merit candidates also can get scholarship, but it depends upon the income. So don't be in that stage that general merit candidates cannot get any scholarship like that and all. It depends upon your income. So I'll click here, for example, ST. Then I'll choose the gender as female or male, anything. Just a example for you. Parent annual income, I will be choosing 20,000. And whether disabled, I will be choosing yes. See, this is completely an example, it's not my details. Now OC3552 CAPTCHA verification. After doing all this, just click on the check eligibility. So it's loading, and here it will show you the serial number wise the scheme available for you. There is a problem right now in the website, so that it's not visible for me. It's not giving the right details, so you can check it afterwards. You will get the eligibility if you are eligible for any scholarship like that. So we are coming to the Department of Higher Education scholarship here. If we click on the guidelines, see, a PDF like this will open up, and you can find everything pin to point information about the scholarship, the objective, scope, allocation of scholarships, eligibility criteria, reservation. See, OBCs also have a reservation, you can find here like this. Just go to www.scholarships.gov.in to apply. Just register first, next login, and you can apply with the given details, and you will be asked to upload your original documents too. After doing that, you can track the payment. All details will be mentioned in many videos in YouTube. You can find out from that. If you want a separate video on how to upload your documents or how to register for this scholarship, I can make this video too. So you can just comment it in the comment section below. So that's it for today, guys. This was the latest update about NSS scholarship, so I thought of sharing it with you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care in the next video. Bye bye.